Going on, guys? Andrew here, and today is December 30th, 2020. I have finally received my Z57 turbocharger from ZZP. It only took 33 days since the pre-order. I ended up placing an order on this turbo on Black Friday, and it's been quite the wait since then. But today's the day. It finally showed up. And this is kind of what we're looking at here. So this isn't going to be a very complicated video. I'm just going to show the box off as I can while holding my phone, trying to record this. So that's about it. So let's get started. It's been long enough. Blacked out some of the stuff on the labels to cover my secret identity. Alright, this is going to be quite the challenge to open this up with one hand. Let's see if I can do it. Alright, we got that. Let's get that end. Alright, there we go. Good deal. Wasn't too bad. Alright, let's see. Got our packing list. Z57 Turbo. Put that in my back pocket. Alright. The moment we've all been waiting for. Let's see here. Looks like this is just some packing material. Just gonna throw that off there for the moment. I've got the turbo kit install. Looks to be all the fittings and clamps and bolts. I'll put that over here. Alright, looks like we got another, got the feed line, I'm assuming. This looks to be a water line. I actually think these fittings are probably for an L&F, I want to say. I don't think that these are for the LSJ entry-level kit install, but that's okay. I've already got the kit installed on my car with all those custom fittings made and installed, so yeah, it should be pretty easy to put this on, but here we go. There she is. Turbo's only been out of stock pretty much all year long. I'm shocked that I got it this year, honestly. But, let's see here, take some more of this packing away. Alright. Oops, I'm dropping shit. Alright, let me see if I can take this out of the box. Set it on the table here without busting my shit, because the driveway's literally covered in ice. Oh, no, that's not a good spot to grab it. Alright, here we go. Let's see, here we go. There's that. Let me make sure. Let's see. Got a little bit of residue in the packaging material. I want to say that's it. Looks like that's all that's in the box. So it's an empty box otherwise. So there we go. There's that. And here's what we all been waiting for. The infamous Z57 Turbo. Alright, take these caps off. Alright. So yeah, there we go. There it is. Try to do a little walk around. Got a V-band here for the compressor. ZZP badge on the exhaust housing. Here's some close-ups. Let's see. We got zero play. That's good. This is a ball bearing turbo, so should spin pretty good. Spins all right. Let's see if there's anything else notable to look at on this turbo. Let's see, we got that. Looks like we got the oil drain line. Maybe that's like a restrictor or something. Not too sure. I've heard with ball bearing turbos that you gotta run a restrictor, I guess. So, I don't know. Let's see. Got some stuff here going on at the wastegate. There's the wastegate itself. But, yeah. Honestly, this turbo's not very heavy. I will say that. It's a very light turbo. There's the inside. I apologize, the lighting kind of sucks. Looks like we got a little bit of residue of some kind right there. It must be what was in the bottom of the shipping material. Got whatever stuff's going on there. Yeah, it's just a little bit of, let me see if I can, is that oil? Yeah, it feels like it's a little bit of oil. I don't know. Maybe they like test them or something. Make sure they're good. I'm trying to spin this with one hand. It's kind of impossible. Let's see here. Got that. But, yeah. Yeah, I mean, first impressions, I mean, you know, it's a good looking turbo. It's not bad. It's definitely a good size. That's for damn sure. I mean, here's my hand in comparison. Don't exactly have small hands, so it's a decent sized turbo. It's a hell lot bigger than the KO4 that's currently on the car, so but yeah, I mean, that's basically it. That's kind of what's going on. Got all our markings, so yeah, I mean, it looks like everything's here. Could probably try to open this up. This might be kind of impossible to open with one hand, though. Looks like it's sealed here. Might be taped. Can't really see what's in there. Let me see here. Yeah, there we go. Looks like it's all in a little UPS baggie. Looks like we've got the adapter that goes on the end of the V-band here, so the coupler can attach to it. We've got a couple of water lines. Looks like this right here is a PCV connection that'll go to the valve cover. There's the V-band. We've got a couple of fittings here for the oil and coolant lines on the turbo. But yeah, I mean, that's basically it. That's what's up, guys. Right here is everything you receive when you order one of these turbos. Whoops, my bad. All right, here's a final look of this turbo. What's going on? If you're an LSJ, you're not even going to be running that boost or electronic boost solenoid there. It's going to be, well, for me, I'm going to be running a Grimspeed manual boost controller until I can order an electronic one, which I will inevitably need in the future. But that's what's going on. It's a decent sized turbo. It's a 57 millimeter. So ZZP claims that this turbo is capable of 500 horsepower. They've made it on some of their other platforms. I think it was like the ATS or something like that. They made over 500 of the wheels with this turbo. So I don't know too many guys that are running this on LSJs. I know a few. You know, a lot of the people that first got them, I think, had some issues, and they got it resolved through ZZP. I know one guy that's currently running it that really likes it. Everybody that I've talked to that's run this turbo, they really liked it. So yeah, that's about it. The next step is to obviously get this turbo installed on the red line over there, which currently has ZZP's entry-level turbo kit on it. So we're going to be bolting it on and getting it ready to you know, hit the rollers. So I'm going to see how much power I can get out of it on a 100% stock LSJ and stock transmission. Both of them are stock. That car over there's got 178,000 miles on it. I actually did a compression check on it not too long ago, and it wasn't all that great. So we're still gonna send it and see you know, and see what happens. So stay tuned to see the results of this turbo and what it'll do on your typical stock red line. That's basically what the car is. It's literally just a stock car that I bolted the ZZP turbo kit on. So there's nothing too crazy going on here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.